Hello YouTube, I found this cool stuff at the mall. It's from the Brookstone store here in Florida, and they call it sand. Like it says, pack it, pull it, shape it, do whatever you want with it. It is made of 98% sand and 2% polymer. See right here? If you see, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to squeeze all the air out. As you can see, I just have a ball of sand. And just pull it apart like that. That one ball had all of this sand. You can put it to whatever shape you want and it's not messy. Not at all. The sand will never dry out. And if you watch really closely, you can see how it just separates. But it's really fun. Do whatever you want with it, as you can see. I'm just going to squeeze it and pack it a little bit, and it'll just separate. For this whole pack here, it's 2.2 pounds. It's $20. Go pick yourself up some. It's really cool. Bye.